With limited daylight, we are going to be switching out this motion censored light for this one up here. Okay, you're gonna find the breaker that matches that one. As we look, the light was on and now it's off, so we can work on it now. So it looks like a pretty easy removal with just a Phillips screw. One screw. Now we got it removed. We're just gonna test if it is hot, and it does not beep, so I do not think it's hot. Yep, we're good. Cut your wires from the old light. I don't have enough hands to hold it, cut it, and film, so I'm just going to cut the white one. So these new lights, they come with fancy wire connectors. All you have to do is push to connect. So this is the light side, and then this side plugs into the light. The reason they separate them is so I can go up that ladder, connect this to the wires, then bring that light up and connect it easily. So you can easily disconnect and connect. Super easy. You have your hot, ground, and neutral. Just put in the colors exactly how they look: black to black, green to green, white to white. If you have a black, white, and a copper, just put that copper in the green. So like I said, I don't have a green, but this copper ground is going to go in my green. The white will go to white, and black will go to black. Okay, we got it all connected, so I'm just going to push these wires back in and then connect my light. When I hooked the wires in, I heard a nice click when I inserted them, so it has a nice tooth to grab that wire. Super nifty connectors they give you. Okay, we got our light installed. That center screw, there is a moisture barrier they give you to put in between the light and your wall. It's a good idea to put that in there. All right, so now our breaker is back on, and let's see if it works. Perfect. Awesome. And it should be motion censored.